are? Where are we right now?
We are at the Edmonds Farmers Market.
Hi, Seattle. I just had one of the best cooking class experience with Table for 12. This is a 3-hour culinary journey that starts with a warm welcome from Chef Lauren Larson and Chef Dom Ruane.
Let's go shopping!
First, we took a walk all together at Edmonds Farmers Market, where we will source the freshest ingredients for our cooking later. Now let's put on our apron and it's time to cook.
And a slice like that.
Both chefs guided us through cooking techniques and sharing some of their culinary knowledge. It's a very hands-on collaborative experience, and it's super fun.
This is supervising.
I might not be the best chef, but I'm for sure your best cooking cheerleader. But here is the best part. Everyone gets to be a chef for the day. Every one of us has our own cooking job.
We did it! Done!
We work together as a team to prepare and cook our meal together. By the way, this golden beans is so delicious. This is the salad. This is me grilling asparagus. I highly recommend this cooking experience for your next family gathering, birthday parties, or special occasions. This is the final part. Our station is making vegetable sandwiches. The salad is 10 out of 10. We made chicken sandwiches, prosciutto sandwiches, and my favorite is this grilled vegetable sandwiches. Table for 12 September class calendars is available right now. Trust me, it's gonna be a fun, unforgettable experience for you, your family, and friends. Follow for more.